Let's take a look at what I want to show you today. To make it easier for myself, I can use this function that is called Quick Create. So when you get into the home page here, you click on the social media tab. Under popular, the first one here is Quick Create. And that's the one we're going to use today. So I click there and now I can choose. They have 8 layouts and I'm sure they're going to add more. So I just mark I want an Instagram post, a Facebook post, a Twitter post, and a pin for my Pinterest. Really easy. I just click continue and now I'm adding my main text. And here I can write create 4 social media posts with 1 click. Okay, the text is set. Now I just click continue. Now I need to upload the main image for this. And I have actually prepared one earlier today. So here we go. That's the main image. And then we have the brand kit and here I can choose my logo. So now I have the image I wanted and I have my logo and I click continue. Now I can choose between templates here. And as you can see, I can either choose here or I can just scroll down. And right now I don't have to worry about the colors or the fonts. I just look at the layout. I think I like this layout. So let's pick that one and click continue. And now I need to choose my colors. And here is my brand colors for my Canva for social media that I had in my brand kit. And I can click shuffle here to choose which color should be the main one. That's the one I want to go with. The blue one. And here we have all 4. This is the Instagram post, the Facebook post, the Twitter post, and the Pinterest pin. I can also choose my fonts here. These are the fonts I have in my brand kit. So I think I'm gonna go with those. But you can also find other groups of fonts here. When it comes to color, I chose from my brand kit, but you see there are a lot of different palettes you can choose from. When that is done, all I have to do is click finish. Here I can either choose to download this now as a zip file, but they also created a specific folder for me where I can see my collection. So it goes to all my folders and here we are in the folder is called Canva for social media. And now I can go in and edit each one of them. This is Pinterest pin. So for example, if I want to change the color of my text, if I want to change the images, when I open it the next time, all the changes I have done are here. And as you can see, I have my Pinterest account connected. That's another advantage of having the Pro version. So I can go right here and publish it. I can publish to Facebook. I can share my Twitter post right from here. For now, I have with ease created 4 social media posts on the same theme for 4 different destinations. 3 of them I can upload to directly from my account as long as I have connected those accounts to my Canva.